Headed out for round 2 of egg collection through this forest of weeds in our backyard. It's getting kind of crazy. Not crazy enough to do anything about yet though. So we got 10 eggs this morning. Let's see what we got out here, if any. We might not have any out here. Oh, I'm wrong. We have at least 3 over here. There's 1, 2, 3. Another one here. 4. Is there any more under there? Looks like somebody's trying to dig a hole, maybe, to China. I don't know. Oh, and 1 here. 5. Okay. Looks like that's all, though. Let's make sure there's not any under there. Oh. Okay. Looks like we got 5. So that makes us 15 for the day, which is pretty awesome if you ask me.